the 63rd chapter of the Qur'an. Kullu surah. That's why ulama said, why is it called Surah al-Munafiqun? No other name for this surah. Why is it strictly called al-Munafiqun, the hypocrites? Because min al-bidaya ila al-nihaya tatahaddath an al-munafiqeen. Because from the beginning to the end, it only speaks about one topic. It speaks about hypocrites. And that's we should be worried about this inside our lives. There's nifaq al-i'tiqadi, and nifaq which is a higher level of inside one's belief, that one doesn't tolerate at all. That's what hypocrites are. They begin to display Islam. But within, internally inside their hearts, within themselves, they want to destroy Islam. Don't look at this, excuse the language, don't look at this garb that many of us, when we may dress this garb, that people think this is a symbol of Islam. That's just one element of Islam. There's numerous elements of hypocrisy that we live inside our lives, that we need to fine-tune. Fi qulubi maradun fazadahumullahu marada. There's sicknesses inside our hearts. And it doesn't say a sickness. Sicknesses exist inside our heart. We're oblivious to the element of nifaq inside our hearts, and nifaqul amali, inside our dealings, inside our actions. Umar al-Khattab, he says to Hudayfa ibn Yaman, who was sirrun Nabi alayhi salatu wasalam, Hudayfa ibn Yaman had the names of the 30 to 40 individuals who were hypocrites. He knew them by name. He had them memorized who these individuals were. Look at Umar ibn Khattab. Look at us, look at our audacity of what we claim to be. فَلَا تُزَكُّوا أَنفُسَكُمْ هُوَ أَعْلَمُ بِمَنِ اتَّقَى. We claim sanctity, purity for ourselves. We claim to walk around people that we're people of paradise. We deserve paradise. We're going to enter paradise. We have a right over paradise. We have a right to condemn other people. They don't deserve to go to paradise. And that's as a disclaimer. Whatever we listen to today about hypocrites, please don't apply it upon any individual. If you want to apply it upon your own self. Don't go around seeking knowledge to apply it upon the masses of people around you. That's not ilm. That we're sucked into this. Our capacity in our mindset is only to gain ilm, to apply it to the people around us. Whatever we hear, we say, oh, he must be a hypocrite. He must be a fasiq. He must be a fajir. He must be a kafir. That's not the intent of knowledge. That's not the intent. The person first applies everything upon their own self, their own life, questions themselves, where am I from this? That's why Umar ibn Khattab said to Hudayfa, he said, is my name amongst the munafiqeen? Tasawwaru hada. Imagine this. Amir al-Mu'mineen, who becomes Amir al-Mu'mineen, leader of the believers. He's asking Hudayfa ibn Yaman, is my name in that list, in that qa'imah? Please tell me, is my name there? Is he doing that to show off? Or does he really deeply believe inside his heart and his mind that possibly I could be amongst the hypocrites? That's what Abdullah ibn Mas'ud said on one occasion. There was a wall, kana jidar bayni wa baynahu. There's a wall between me and him, and Umar al-Khattab was on the other side of the wall. And I heard Umar saying, bakhin, bakhin ya Umar. I heard Umar saying to himself, wretched you are, wretched you are. That you need to fear Allah, if not Allah will rectify your affairs or will deal with you accordingly. This is Umar al-Khattab. This is what you call real leaders. This is what you call Amir al-Mu'mineen. Because the hypocrisy, I don't want to enter the worldly political climate, it's clearly in front of us, the hypocrisy around us. When people try to hide behind it and say this isn't hypocrisy, hypocrisy becomes apparent. Allah doesn't allow hypocrisy to remain concealed. It becomes apparent because it's a disease inside the heart that needs to come out of the heart. And that's why it was said to Hudayfa ibn Yaman, who had these names of these hypocrites. He heard the individual making dua, oh Allah, expose the hypocrites. You know what Hudayfa ibn Yaman said to him? He said that if Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala was to respond to your dua and to expose all the hypocrites, you would be a single man walking on your own on the face of this earth. بِأَيِّ مَعْنَى. That all of us contain hypocrisy inside our lives. That if Allah destroys all of us because of whatever hypocrisy that we have, there won't be a single one of us on the face of this earth. And we need to remove this hypocrisy from our lives, from ourselves. Because the benchmark is inside the heart. The heart of the individual is what carries iman and kufr.
Please like, share and subscribe to the Digital Mimbar YouTube channel and hit the notification bell. Please also like, share and subscribe to our Facebook and Twitter. Links in the description of this video.